How to unlock selection in Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock a selection in Microsoft Word. So if you're getting the message that says you can't make this change because the selection is locked, in this video, I'll show you how you can unlock it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, the first step is to check mark as final settings. So here simply go to the top left and here just click on file. And now here on the new page simply click on info, which can be seen in the left hand sidebar. And now here once you are inside this section, you simply have to click on protect document option. And now here from the drop down menu, you simply have to click on mark as final option, and here make sure that this option is disabled. And with that, you can just go back and check if the selection has appeared. And here, if the selection is still not appearing, then in this case, you can again go back to the file section and just click on info section right here. And now here, simply click on protect document again. And from there, you can see the option labeled as restrict editing. So here, simply disable this option. And here, once you disable it, you will be able to edit and enable the selection on the Word app again. So with that, if you still find the selection problem, then what you can do is run Ospirum as administrator. So here you can try this advanced fix. So simply close the Word app completely and now here and here once you have closed the Word app, simply click on the Files app in the taskbar and now here simply click on this PC. Now from here simply click on local disk, and once inside the local disk simply scroll down and click on program files. And now here in this program files simply scroll down and tap on the Microsoft Office. And now here in this section simply click on Office 16, and here you can see the option labeled as Ospiron. So simply click on it and select it as run as administrator. And here after running it, you can simply open the Word app again. And now here, once you open the Word app again, then you will see that these steps have fixed the selection issue. And that's it. That's how you can fix the selection issue on Word. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.